Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a group in Slack or best way to create a Slack group, easy Slack tutorial. So this is going to be the easiest way to create a group in Slack. So you need to log in first onto your Slack account onto your desktop app. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in already. And to go ahead and create a group, just go ahead and create a message and you should be able to find the one here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Click on the new message. Then right after, what you need to do, you'll just need to go ahead and add in the different recipients that you want to add onto your group chat. So I'm going to add myself here. And then right after, let's add this and add another one. Like for example, this one, the Trello app. Since I don't have any friends here onto my Slack, let's go ahead and add another one like this one, the Butler app. Right after, you'll just need to go ahead and just type in a message in here like, hey, this is our new chat. And send that directly so that you should be able to create this new group chat. And as you can see, you should be able to find it in here that we have successfully created a group chat here onto the right side on direct messages. And that is how easy you can create a group in Slack. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.